everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and thank you for all of the wonderful comments on the past few videos. Those were all pre-recorded prior to our trip. We are now back and getting back into a work routine. So yes, thank you. Glad you have liked all of the different garments, the Go Girl dress, the Bree dress, and the husband's button-up Jaylee pattern. So if you have not checked those out, I'll be sure to just leave them all linked in the iCards up above here. But welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you for all of those who continue to tune in on a weekly basis. I greatly appreciate it. So by the title of this video, yes, there was a fabric haul while we were in Fort Lauderdale. But first, let me just mention this. If you saw Myra Lorraine, and I will link her video down in the description box, we had a meetup. We hung out, her husband and my husband, and we all hung out during the first couple days that we were in Fort Lauderdale. And so then one of those days, Myra and I visited a different fabric shop, and she posted the trip and our reactions to that. We went to Rex Fabrics, so you must go check out that video and get all behind the scenes, because that was a very high-end fabric store, and we had fun walking around in there. So, and she captured all the footage and our thoughts on that trip. So be sure to go ahead and go down to the description box, and then go ahead and click that link and go check out that video. You will see all of our feedback and everything on that. So this video is about my trip. On the last day on our way out, I had time to stop at A to Z Fabrics in Fort Lauderdale. And so we made that trip, and I was able to walk through. So what I'm going to start out first is just share with you a little bit of footage that I shared on Instagram. It's just a few little clips here and there that I'm going to pop in here, and then I'll come back in and show you what I bought. Hello everybody, I am inside of, it is storming outside, but I am inside of A to Z Fabric here in the Lauderdale area. And so let me just show you where I'm at. Here's a lot of fabric. Not sure what's what and where's everything, but I plan to see what is here, and I'll let you know. Trying to hold my phone and record, but that is very pretty too for not be. Okay. So I am going to keep looking. I don't know if I'll be able to come back on. That's pretty too. This one here with the fish on it. That's pretty. So I may just wait and come back. Look at that one. Let me show you. This is so cute. This is going to make a cute, like a cosmetic bag type thing. Hold on. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Yes. Okay, I had to come back in and show this. I'll flip this over, but this is an Alexander, who is it again? Alexander Henry fabric collection. This is full yard of this. See, this is the back of it. This is like see that? Isn't that cute? That would make such a cute, like, bag of some sort. And this is from 2003. So cute. Yep, it's coming home. Now that I'm back, okay, what I'm wearing is the cashmere at Springfield top, my modified that I wear a lot, my Styles on Me Madison cardigan, and I do have a self-drafted skirt on that matches this. You guys seen it a million times. So let me first start out with a couple things that I purchased that is not fabric but patterns. So the first pattern I bought, and I just did this a couple days ago. The first one I want to share with you is the Maggie 55 Journey Tote, and I'll actually pop up a picture because you probably can't see it that well. Absolutely love this. Y'all know I have been into bag making. I'm working on perfecting my skills, and I do have my Maggie 55 classic zip around wallet video will be coming up on Sunday, so stay tuned for that, and you'll hear how my blue collar amaryllis tote came about or did not come about. But if you follow me on Instagram, you already know part of the story behind that, but I will share that on Sunday, so stay tuned for that. The other pattern I picked up was the sooooo, a travel inspired pattern collection, and it's a capsule studio. And I thought this was such a nice pattern, but I will be honest, the main reason I picked this up was because of this tote. And this is designed by Bianca from Thanks I Made It. But I said, you know what? I really like the look. It's very casual. While it says it's well traveled, you know, you can use these pieces for work and different things like that. So what I am going to do, and thumbs up this video if you like this idea, I am going to make every single pattern. There's only 6, which includes the tote. But I am going to make in the entire capsule studio, as it's called, the entire pattern collection. So let me know if you would be interested in that. Again, it's just 6 pieces, and I have some ideas of fabric I want to use, so I'm able to switch up these looks. And so I think that would be so fun, but I really picked it up for the tote. But then when I did a closer inspection on the collection, I was like, oh, this is so nice. So I will link both of these patterns down below. But yes, very excited about that. So let's get into the fabric. So let me just start out by saying I only picked up 2 pieces of apparel fabric, and one I will not share today because it's for a special project. You will see that coming up very soon, so I won't talk more about that. But the other fabric I picked up was this. It almost feels like a seersucker, and probably exactly what it is, because I don't know. As you can tell from the video, there's a lot of fabric on a lot of rolls, and some of it is all mixed in together. In a couple pieces, I was able to ask the guy what was it. But this here, I believe, is a seersucker. Let me see if I can hold this up. You see the ridges in there? And these are actually just going to be some wardrobe by me cargo shorts for the husband. So, and I've already washed, serged. These are ready to go. And so, yeah, because Soul Man Pants challenge is coming up here soon. And so I will be making him some more shorts. So the rest of everything I picked up is all for bag and wallet making. So yes, I had a ball looking at their stuff. So let me just show you this first piece. This is a vinyl, and it is Alexander Henry Fabrics Collection, and this, I'm reading the salvage, and this is from 2003. But look at that. So this is the back. That's the wrong side. It's a woven back, but look at this. Look at that. That is going to make a cute cosmetic bag, and whatever else I think of. Now you will see in my video, it was about just a touch over a yard left of this. And so the guy said, oh, I'll just give it to you for $6 for 3/4, priced at 3/4 yards. And I was like, okay. So he gave me everything on the boat. Look at that. You can even see the paper there at the end of the boat. So I have a little over a yard of this. So that will make, I know, a cosmetic tote. It's so easy. So a little cosmetic pouch, that's so easy. But thinking what else I would make. What else would you make out of this? Yeah, it might just end up being gifts. I don't know. I'm thinking. So let me know if you have any ideas. Leave them down in the comments below. The other fabric I picked up, this is all bag making fabric. So the back of it is all the felt backing, but it's all faux leather. Look at that. That's a nice color. I like that. And I actually, to the exception of one, I only got a half a yard of all of these, and these were all $5. I spent a total of $72 at the fabric store, which includes the fabric that I'm not showing today. But yes, I picked up half a yard of everything, because most of the bags I'm looking to make, or wallets with this, I don't need a lot of fabric for. So I didn't want to, and plus I was coming back on the plane and I wasn't going to be bothered with trying to ship anything back. And so, yes, so that is one. So that's like a tan color. Then I picked up, I really love this. This is actually going to be a bag for my mother. It's going to be a gift. I'll show you what bag that is because I'll be making that up here soon. But look at that. It's a green. It's nice color for coming into the fall. Hopefully you can see that. But this one, I think I picked up a full yard because I figured I would make something else out of it. But I wanted to make my mother bag too. And so, yes, isn't that nice? Very nice. Again, this was $10. All of these were $10 a yard. So I got a full yard of this, a half a yard of the first one. This color is, it's like a gray. Can you see that? It's like a grayish color. And again, the whole faux leather. Very nice. Again, it's going to be a bag, wallet, something to that effect. I have a half a yard. I have plenty to make. Actually, a couple bags I have in mind, a bag and a matching wallet if I really wanted to. This one was fun. This is, again, another faux leather. It has the black backing. It's a camel. Hopefully you can see that's a camel color. Look like my balance went off a little bit, but hopefully you can see it from back here. It's a camel color. So cute. Bag, wallet. And these are, you guys know from my bags and wallets, I'm not a print person when it comes to making bags. So most of the bags I will make for myself will all be solids and mixture of textures, things of that nature. And the last one, so cute, is this. It's like a iridescent peachy color. Can you tell? I don't know. I think my lighting is a little goofy in here. So I might take a picture and insert it, but so nice. And again, I got a half a yard, so much to make a bag and a wallet if I really wanted to. So that is my haul. Not a whole heck of a lot to show. Again, since I was coming home on the plane, I didn't want to be bothered with my bags getting too heavy. I was able to put this in my suitcase and everything like that without going over over the weight. But I'm so happy with everything I purchased, and of course you will see what will be coming up on all of these items in the future. But yeah, that's all I have today. Again, make sure that you do stay tuned because on Sunday I will have my review and my leather wallet that I made. I'm so proud of it. It has some challenges, but I'll share all of that on Sunday, so make sure you are tuned in for that. And I thank you everybody for tuning in today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And again, if you're interested in me doing it, the entire capsule studio, the travel inspired pattern collection, I'm gonna do it anyway, but if you want to see it on the channel, please thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments, yes, you want to see what I create from this entire collection and how I will interchange it. Let me know down below. But thank you everybody for tuning in today. Again, I greatly appreciate all of your support. I thank you for the thumbs up. I thank you for sharing the videos. It means so much to me, and it helps me create new content because everybody leaves comments, and I love talking back to you guys down in the comment section. You have different ideas that gives me ideas for various videos, but I do have quite a few fun things coming up, so make sure you are tuned in. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing and consider hitting that bell on your way out so you will not miss the next upload, which will be coming up on Sunday. All right, everybody, you all have a blessed and fantastic day, and don't forget to check out Myra's video to see what we thought of Rex Fabrics down in Florida. All right, everybody, have a blessed one, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.